because my phone can't take a video longer than 2 fucking seconds. There's no goddamn room in it. Okay, this one turned out the best. This was the first one. It's the hardest to mold and keep into a shape, like you can tell. When I put it down, it, like, you know, widened out, flattened. But it did stay that shape. Like, it didn't widen out or spread out anymore. Yeah, you can just tell it's harder to keep into a shape. The color, all exactly the same. All the same. And all that, it's a good color, like it's not, like it's perfect. This lighting's weird. Let me change it. I don't want this big fucking obnoxious light right there. Okay. Guess we're laying down now. So, the only there are a couple of concerning things. So this one is like the flattest also, with, like, this is the food coloring one. So with these, there's more flour in them, which made them easier to shape, but we have things like this going on. Pretty much none on this one. Food coloring one, a lot more air got into it, so it's thicker, but it's because of the air that got in there. I like how they smell. Yeah, and this one also has quite a bit of air in it. This one's pretty much none, so there's that. Something concerning was the surfaces of all these have like a whiteness to them. Like there's the backside. It's like a powdery, glittery white here. But on the back, it's just not there at all. So I'm wondering if the moisture just like went to the bottom, and that's why the top is more dry in the back. Which makes you think maybe we have to rotate them when they dry. I'm gonna test that with my next batch with a different recipe. See if flipping them over will change that. In terms of stiffness, not very stiff. Like you can hear it cracking. I don't know where, if the microphone is by the camera or if it's in the bottom. But yeah, white powdery. This has the most extra flour in it. You can tell. There's a lot more crackles in it. Easier to shape, but I don't think it'll be a problem because we're not doing a complex shape. Though the thing about it is we're also doing a 3D shape. So when we put this stuff on top, it's going to start sinking closer to the bottom. That'll be annoying. So I'm wondering if we should rotate it while it dries and just start moving it around to distribute it and stuff. Which would be really annoying because we can't put the eggs in the oven because all the plastic stuff on it would melt. Put these in the oven to hurry it the fuck up. And they still did this regardless. So yeah. It's really not that tough. It's quite soft still. But I didn't want to put it in any longer because it's already been there for a while. So even in the oven it takes fucking forever. It's already started cracking. This one, yeah, I'm playing with the edges. It's not cracking as much. There are very thin, small cracks, but not as much, so this is totally fine. And we don't even need a lot of paint to actually color it, because these had a dick load. So, that's good. Yeah, so this one was flour, cornstarch, and salt, and water. So I'm going to try flour, water, salt. See how that works. And then next one is cornstarch, flour, water, salt. Also, I think, but it's a bakeable one, so you have to like cook it in a saucepan, and then like cover it, leave it for a while, which is interesting. I don't know how that'll go. I think baking it, bakeable things definitely help dry it out. So, yeah, we'll see.